Hi guys, today we talk about how can you get premium on your LiveOne app. We go to figure out this edition on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on my library down here. So then you come to this list here, then all you have to do, so you just click here in this sign settings here. So then you come to this list here, then all you have to do now, just click here on upgrade here, click on it. So then you come to this list here, so just switch into open video here. So you just switch in, and here can you get your upgrade now. So here can you choose if you want to add monthly or annually here, and here you just click here upgrade now, then it's going to take you to add your card information, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.